Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss what is quotas and system limits in Google Cloud Platform. We will see this with an example. Let's assume there is a restaurant and inside the restaurant we have 50 tables. And in restaurant we have reservations, right? By default, the restaurant people will allow one group to book 5 tables at a time to make sure the other customers can also book and they can also make use of it. So this is how typically restaurant will be. And in case if you are hosting a wedding, you can call the manager and you can ask to increase your limit to 40 tables, and they likely say yes if they have the enough space. To ensure there is fairness, so no one person doesn't take the entire tables without prior warning. So this is what exactly quotas in Google Cloud Platform is. A quota restricts how much of a Google Cloud resource your Google project can use. So Google Cloud uses quotas to ensure fairness across customers and also to reduce spikes in resources usage and their respective availability. Basically, this quotas help us to prevent accidental or excessive resource consumptions, which basically will spike up your cost as well. So quotas are generally applicable at the project level. Quotas apply to a range of resource types including hardware, software, and network components. For example, you can use quotas to restrict the number of API calls to a service, the number of load balancers used concurrently by your project. So there are three types of quotas. The first one is allocation quotas. Basically, this allocation quotas restrict how much of a resource Google Cloud allocates to you. And the next one is rate quotas. So rate quotas restrict the rate at which you can consume a resource, and rate quotas specify a time period and the amount of resource that you are permitted to consume over the time. And the third one is we have concurrent quotas. So this concurrent quotas restrict the number of operations that can run concurrently, usually apply to long running operations. So this is what quotas is. And now we will discuss what is system limits in Google Cloud Platform. So many services also have system limits in Google Cloud Platform. System limits are basically fixed constraints such as the maximum number of file sizes or database schema limitations, which you cannot be increased or decreased for any reason. And also it is defined by the architecture of the service. Examples of this system limits are maximum file sizes to be processed in cloud workflows, and the database schema limits, and also the maximum length of resources name. So these are the hard limits which you can't modify for any reason inside Google Cloud Platform. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning.